Hey there! I got these skincare and makeup products with clean ingredients from Ulta recently. I'm super excited to unbox them with you. But before that, let me show you the Bare Mineral loose powder that I've been using for years. I have been a huge fan of this Bare Mineral loose powder. The shade I have is Golden Fair 4, which in my opinion fits my skin tone perfectly, and I really love the design of this little twist lid, and most importantly, the ingredients are very clean and safe. The only downside though is that it's a little hard to carry around and to reapply with a brush on the go. So I decided to try their powder foundation, and if you watched my previous video, you might know that I like to use this app called Yuka to check whether the product has safe and clean ingredients or not. As you can see, the loose powder scores 83 out of 100, which is an excellent score, and any score at 50 and above would be considered good and safe. Now let's check the new powder foundation that I just got. And look at the score. It's 90 out of 100, which is amazing. Now let's unbox it. So the case looks a lot sleek and thinner than the loose powder one, which will be really compact to carry around. And this is the shade I got. Under the powder foundation, there's a flat sponge, which comes in really handy. I'm gonna try to smear a little bit and apply it on the back of my hand. It goes on really smoothly, and the texture feels like a thin layer of foundation. If you want to see how it looks on my face, feel free to leave me a comment below and I can make another video about it. The next thing I want to share with you are the lip balms I got from Whole Foods. They all have almost perfect score on Yuka, which means the ingredients are super clean and safe. And this matters because I apply this to my lips throughout the day, so I do want to make sure that they are absolutely safe. As you can see, this one got perfect score. The peppermint one got a 91 score out of 100, which is excellent too. And look at how cute this lip balm is. And the best part is that the packaging is completely made out of paper. Non-plastic packaging is the best. Instead of twisting it, you would just push it from the bottom, which is really cool design. Next, I want to show you the Morning Wake Up Eye Gel from the brand called Good Molecules. And amazingly, it scores perfectly. Now let's unbox it. The packaging is pretty interesting. It looks like some sort of ointment, and you have to poke it open with the cap. It feels pretty fake and moisturizing. Next, I got the resveratrol and ferulic acid by Ordinary. It's got perfect score, which means it has really clean ingredients, and it's a powerful antioxidant that's very beneficial for skin. The next product I got is called Morphe Makeup Artist. It's a dark circle eye correcting concealer. I bought it not only because it has excellent score, but also the paint shade is something really hard to find in most concealers. And for people who have fair skin and dark circles, these kind of pink colored concealers are the best for covering under eye dark circles. Next, I got the Niacinamide Brightening Toner by Good Molecules again. And wow, look at that, it's got perfect score. And now let's unbox it. What I really like about this brand is that none of these products that I tested so far has fragrance. So fragrance-free means no phthalates and no synthetic ingredients that can cause more harm than good. Next, also from Good Molecules, I got this vitamin C serum. I usually put vitamin C serum after washing my face in the morning and before applying sunscreen. And let's scan it. Wow, it also got perfect score. That's amazing. I also really like their packaging. They seem to use way less plastic than other products. It's really easy to blend and doesn't have that sticky feeling like some of the vitamin C products that I've used before. And all in all, I'm super excited to try these products out, and I'm really glad that I found these brands which has really good score and clean ingredients. And I hope that you found this video helpful. Leave me comments below to share your experience using similar products or brands, or if you have any questions. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button or comment below to help me reach to more audience and bring awareness to skincare and personal care product safety. Thanks so much for watching, and until the next time, take care.